walking game.
Wants her to do that face again.
Ball, Kitty!
You'll be cooler, hon.
Play, Kitty, over the
Take
plate.
your shirt off.
Get it?
Did you get it?
Yeah, hold on. I'm still taping.
There!
That girl's like, oh my god, I don't want to go home. She's gonna kill me.
Yeah.
And I know my sister, she will. It's like,
She must be hotter. She really doesn't.
She takes it seriously. She plays the psych part of the game.
Yeah.
Calm her down.
She does.
Yeah, Kitty! All right, Kitty, let's go!
She's like the ump keeps getting in her way. Getting mad at him.
Yeah.
She's really hot.
I like that one with the babies. You sent me with the baby faces.
Oh yeah.
Aw.
Yeah. Yeah, I get some nasty ones and I get some hard ones.
Yeah!
Did I send you the Maxine for president?
Yes,
That
I
was
love that
hysterical.
one. That was
Maxine's
hysterical.
great.
Kitty?
She's the intimidator, man.
I got you too, Becky.
Yeah!
I got now you're like,
What? Let me see. Oh, I
hold on, I'm still recording.
Oh,
Kitty, take your time, honey.
she's gonna mow him over if he doesn't get the hell out of her way. He doesn't move fast enough for it.
Lady I'm taking care of, she's in the nursing home this week.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She gets sick.
Francis or Virgil called me.
Yeah.
Well, we admitted her to the hospital last week, and he called me like at 9:30 Thursday and said that she has to be admitted to the
Is that 5
nursing
runs?
home for a week. Is that 5?
No.
What's the matter? So young. So. Sorry. What? Stop it!
Is that 5 runs you're at?
Them?
Yeah, just now in this inning.
No, I think it's 4. I think.
Say hi to the camera.
You'll be on
I hate my
before you
freaking.
let. Candy's on
I'm
you.
taking your. Yeah, and did you see the one where she gets hit with the ball?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Fix her pad there. She's got to fix
From the
her pad.
tournament
It's
weekend,
sticking
I have
out.
all the girls plastered on my MySpace.
Aww. Oh. Back it up.
Fix your pad, Sarah. The pad's sticking out on her arm.
As long as she can
Just
whip
like
back
that,
on the-
Kitty. Let him swing. You got a good defense.
She needs a drink.
Who, Sarah?
Yeah.
Stop talking.
One voicemail. Oh, that's part of yours.
Probably. Fix your chest pad, Sarah. Oh man.
Ew.
Dirt just.
Make sure she gets a shower.
God, she's gonna be a mud
What
ball.
happened?
She picked up her helmet and the dirt just fell over top of her head.
She loves it. Hey. Are you coming down at all?
No?
Okay, well, if you do, can you bring me 2 bottles of water, please?
And a 6-pack.
If you don't, that's cool, okay?
Go, go, go.
Oh.
There you go.
Yeah.
to play that, Burke.